Rain is starting to pick up. We're starting to see rain on the radar, mostly out along the coast in the Santa Lucias and the Santa Cruz Mountains. We will all get rain overnight, and so there is a flood watch in effect through Friday, as we have two systems, one that moves through very quickly overnight tonight, and then a second that arrives tomorrow afternoon and lasts through Friday. There's a high wind warning overnight with potential for wind gusts up to 75 miles an hour and possibly even a tornado or some water spouts. There is a slight chance of severe thunderstorms, and that lasts through Thursday and even into Friday, particularly just for Big Sur into Friday. So we will continue to talk about all of this. Live view, beautiful live view of the visible satellite of this storm just off the coast. You can see it is down to our southwest, and it is approaching the central coast here. Another view of the satellite infrared imagery. You can see this heavy band of showers. The main system is moving in, and we're going to see the cold front push through right around midnight tonight. So here's that flood alert until 10 p.m. Friday, as we expect several rounds of rain. And then the wind advisories, or the wind warnings here. We have a high wind warning, pretty much all of Monterey County, the Salinas Valley, Salinas itself, all through the Pajaro Plain there and the coast of Santa Cruz County and north of Santa Cruz. Wind advisories elsewhere for the further interior, with wind gusts up to 40 to or possibly 50 miles an hour for those locations. So already seeing very strong winds right now. The main band of rain pushes through with that cold front and brings the potential for thunderstorms right around midnight tonight and lasts until 4 a.m. The wind advisories, or excuse me, the wind alerts do expire at 4 a.m. and so we'll see it switch to a more westerly direction and actually looking like a fairly calm day throughout parts of the day tomorrow. But then tomorrow evening, those winds start to pick up out of the south-southeast once again. We see another front move through overnight with heavy rain expected. This is now 3:30 a.m. Christmas morning. You see that red. So this storm almost looking not quite as windy, but potentially more severe for thunderstorms and rainfall overnight from Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. And then you see showers continue throughout the day on Thursday here. So plenty of rain on the way, up to potentially 10 inches in some spots. The wind gusts overnight tonight. This brown color out over the water we see is above 60 miles an hour. You see gusts potentially up to the 30 and 40 mile an hour range, some 40 mile an hour gusts right there at 2 a.m. in Santa Cruz. That's what's forecasted. Well, let's look at the gusts that we've already seen. We've already seen 46 miles an hour in Salinas. We've already seen 37 in Santa Cruz. We've already seen 50 in Big Sur. So some very strong winds expected overnight with these couple of storms. We're going to advance forward here and talk about tomorrow. We're all under a flood watch. It'll be relatively calm from the morning until the afternoon when that second storm arrives and things start to deteriorate once again with windy and rainy conditions expected. So in Salinas, we have impact days through Friday. The Monterey Peninsula and particularly Big Sur, alert days for tomorrow and Thursday, just impact by Friday. That could be upgraded as those thunderstorms look to linger for the Big Sur area on Friday. As we look at Santa Cruz and the Santa Cruz Mountains, alert days for the Santa Cruz Mountains Wednesday and Thursday. I thought that I added alert for Santa Cruz tomorrow. I think I decided not to because that wind warning, that high wind warning, expires at 4 a.m. So it'll mostly just be impactful weather. But Thursday could be upgraded to alert. So very good idea to stay in, hunker down if you can on Christmas. I know it's not what we all want to do, but sometimes it's what we have to do.